My name is Dariusz Tekla. I'm field application engineer at Avnet Silica. What we have here is a seat occupancy detection demo using smart passive sensors from Semiconductor. Smart passive sensors, they are utilizing UHF RFID technology to transmit the measured data, but also to power up the device. The full set consists of UHF RFID transmitter reader, antenna which is on the back behind the seat, and of course sensors itself which are embedded in the seat. We have a pressure sensor in the rails and we have a proximity sensor on the back. With this set of sensors we can distinguish, we can check, we can say if somebody is sitting on this seat, and we can distinguish child from adult person and from for example, a bag of groceries. This UHF RFID reader can be used not only to detect the presence of somebody on the seat, but it can work also with other sensors which are located elsewhere in all over the car. Thank you.